Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to talk about Second Life. Second Life is an interactive virtual world. The first thing we want to do is to download Second Life into your computer. You're going to go on your selected browser and on your address bar, you're going to type join.secondlife.com and it's going to take you to the home page to be able to download Second Life. On here, you will have to pick an avatar first. The avatar that you pick here, you can later change it, but for now, you will have to pick one of the options that they give you between fantasy avatars, new avatars, and classic avatars. You also need to enter a username, which is going to be displayed on your avatar, and that's how other people are going to be able to see you. You're going to have to enter your email and all this information. From there, you're going to be directed into downloaded Second Life in your computer. I have already done that, so I'm just going to open the Second Life application on my computer. And once you open the Second Life application, this is how it's gonna appear on your screen. And from here, you're just gonna log in. Today, I want to show you a couple features of Second Life. As I say, one of the things that people enjoy about Second Life is the fact of having an avatar. An avatar is a character that you're gonna be using to move around in the different locations in Second Life. So on here, you see this is my avatar. The first thing I want to show you is how to change your avatar, that avatar that you originally selected when you downloaded the application. So if you go on the left corner, you're gonna see this icon with two people, and it's gonna indicate choose a complete avatar. And here you're gonna have different options of the avatars available. To see all the options, you're just gonna drag that bar to the sides to see the different options of your avatar. Now, one of the things that people really spend time on is personalizing the different physical features of their avatar. So to do that, you want to right-click on your avatar, and once this window appears from here to modify the physical appearance of your avatar, you're gonna click on Edit My Shape. And you're gonna have this window that opens with the different options that you have to modify your avatar. You can change the body of your avatar, as you see the head, the eyes, even the nose. So you can really spend some time personalizing your avatar. Just to show you how it works, I'm gonna change my avatar's mouth. And it's gonna zoom in into my avatar's face, and from here it's gonna give me the different options of the feature that I want to change. So if I want, as you see, it gives me the option to decide how wide the lips can be, how full the lips can be, how thick the lips can be. So if you really want to personalize your avatar, you can spend some time going through all these different options and picking and selecting what you want to change. Just to show you, I'm gonna click on the option of lip wide. So if you see this bar on here, you can actually drag that bar, and you're gonna notice that your avatar feature, in this case the mouth, changes. So it can become more narrow, or it can become more wide. Once you have once you're satisfied with the feature that you want to change, you're just gonna hit the save button, and that's how you change the different physical aspects of your avatar. Now, if you want to change what your avatar is wearing, you're going to do the same. You're going to right click on your avatar and you're going to edit your outfit. And from here, it's going to show you the different things that you can change about your avatar. So I can change the type of jeans that my avatar is wearing. And if you notice, there is a small tool icon, and that's where you want to click to be able to access the different options for the pants that my avatar is wearing. And again, there is multiple options here on how I want my avatar's jeans to look like, in terms of how the length of the pants, or how low the waist of the jeans can be, or how tight the pants can be. So if I want to make it tighter, I'm just going to drag that bar left or right to make my jeans more tighter or more loose. Once I have done that, again, you want to save the changes, and you can see how the pants look tighter now. So that's one of the things that you can really spend time on in Second Life, personalizing how your avatar looks physically and what your avatar is wearing. If you want to move and explore around, you're going to use your up and down arrow, up to move forward, down arrow to move backwards. You can turn right with your right arrow or turn left with your left arrow. That's in terms of moving around. Now, if you notice there are other avatars around here, and you can actually interact with those avatars. To interact with other avatars, you're just gonna get close to the avatar, and you're gonna right click on the avatar you want to start a conversation with. And if you notice, that has highlighted the avatar, and from here, to start a one-on-one conversation, you want to select the I am option. And just like that, you can send that specific avatar a message. That's the second thing I want to show you about Second Life. The third thing I want to show you is your menu bar that is at the bottom of your screen. And here you can see the chat. And the chat is where all the different individuals in this specific location can make comments and send messages to everyone in the chat. The third thing I want to show you is how to actually go to a different location. To transport or teleport to a different location, you're going to go at the top of your screen, and you're going to select the third option, which is world. From there, if you notice, the second down option is destinations. And here is going to give you the different destinations that you can visit. First, it's going to give you the categories that you can access to. So as you see, there are different categories. Some of them are related to music or different hobbies. And if I want to go to, for example, this category, which has 9 destinations, I'm going to click on that, and it's going to give me the different destinations under that category. And from here, if you keep your cursor on the picture of the destination, it's going to give you a short description about what that destination has to offer. So if, for example, I want to go to Japan, Hiroba, I'm just going to click on the teleport, and instead I'm going to click on teleport. And now you are being teleported to that destination that you selected. As you can see, now I am in that destination. So those are some of the different features I wanted to show you today about Second Life, how to sign up for Second Life, how to initially change some of your physical aspects of that avatar that you selected, how to start a conversation with another avatar on Second Life, and how to tel teleport to a different location. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time in another video about how to use all the features of Second Life. Thank you for watching.